help us to mobilize through COG the funding. That in the short term you can do harvesting even from the rains, you can do quick storage, you can do serious harvesting by way of bulk water, dam, building of dams, mega dams. So this instrument will help the counties and the national. So far, the entire is a big investment plan of over 900 billion shillings. Every county has its section and those projects that it has preferred for priority purposes for implementation. They will raise funding using this instrument because it is a result of wide consultation.
It wasn't just prepared recently, it's been about 3 years of developing this plan with the World Bank. And what happens is that the institutions would get the data of the needs that are required in every county from our CIDPs, which